Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this morning we have got this 2012 Ducati Panigale 1199. As you can see, it is fitted with this lovely Akrapovic full system, which once was fitted to Chaz Davies' World Superbike. It's been in for a full ECU remap, so what we'll do is we'll do the final run now, and then we'll talk through everything that we've achieved.
Bet that's broken my bloody microphone again.
Oh, good. Right, so we did the base run this morning. We had 170, just over 174. So, and the biggest thing with this bike is sort of this area here. It just did not want to like set off, and this is between 4,000 and 5,500 revs. So the blue line is before, and the red is now. So basically, this is to do with the fuel that's in the map already. So this is the Ducati map that was in. So basically all we've done is just sorted the fueling out, and it's made the acceleration wise so much smoother, sort of below 5,500 revs, and then it's just carried all the way through the rev range right up to the top end, as you can see there. And it's just got just short of 183 brake horsepower, so that is very, very good for an 1199 model. So yeah, that's, as I said, that were a 100% throttle. So I'll just show you this, the difference with this is the map at 50% throttle. So this is when it came to us with the Ducati up map in it. 102 brake horsepower, fueling absolutely terrible. And then obviously we've then changed the fuel and ignition, the electronic throttle valve, and that is it now. It's gone from 102 to 157. So 55 brake horsepower difference. You can just see the increase between the blue and red lines there, right from 5.5 to the red line. It's gained, smoothed out again this area here that I said before. That was the main area concern of this bike. So yeah, massive difference. It just rides like it wants to ride now. So yeah, should be a million times better. So yeah, if you want yours in, please give us a call.